Here I've got Neffos C7s, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display. Here you have to go to the wallpaper, and now select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from your photos, themes or wallpapers. So let me pick, for example, wallpapers. Then you can go to themes and select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. Let me choose, for example, this one. And if you truly want to apply this picture to your display, click on apply. Finally, decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. And I will pick both, home and lock screen. And this is it. As you can see, from now on, you've got brand new wallpaper and also new lock screen. So this is it. This is how you can change wallpaper on your device in your Neffos C7s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.